Stampers, Diane Dimmich here with ddsstamps.com, and today I'm here to introduce you to my Create With Me Club for April. I am using the Delicate Whispers bundle and the paper and the whole suite actually, and I love these projects, and so my Create With Me Club is a subscription-based club. That's where you get the best deal, but you can also buy it by the month. And what I do is I make, this month we have 4 cards. You get enough products to make 2 of each. Plus you have extra paper, but you'll have enough card kits to make 2 of each of the cards. And then this month I made a box to hold them on all in. So I'm going to flip my camera so I can show you what we're going to use for the club, and then I'll show you the projects. And I will have links in the description of this YouTube video of where you can sign up to be a member of the club. All right, let me flip my camera and let's get started. All right, so this month we're using the Delicate Whispers bundle. This is a great bundle. I love it, and I'll show you quickly on the dies. So you get a whole bunch of dies. You get lots of dies that cut out all the images in the stamp set, but then you get all these standalone dies, and we use quite a few of them in this month's kit. So just so you're aware, this month's kit, the products that I've used also in the kit are the Azure Afternoon Blends, Mossy Meadow Blends, Secret Sea, and Crumb Cake ink. So those are that. The kit comes with enough, like I said, enough to do 2 cards each, 4 cards plus a box. Your kit will include a package of the natural matte dots, which you'll use, some of the gray granite ribbon, I believe it's gray granite. Yeah, gray granite ribbon. And then you'll get a half a pack of the Designer Series paper, and you can see that this paper is a specialty paper. It's got, you see the shiny copper going through it. Let me show you quickly the papers because they're really beautiful. You can really see the shine on that one. That. And you can see the shine on this one too. So you get a half a pack of the Designer Series paper. Plus, like I said, enough kits to complete 2 cards of each and a box. So let me show you that quickly. So here is the box that it comes in, or that you make, excuse me. You're going to make this box. And actually, I'll send you with the Velcro dot so you can open it. And so these are the cards for this month. And you can see we have that copper paper, but then I use some copper for the dies. And of course, envelopes to go coordinate with everything. So, really cute projects. So any of the pieces like these everyday arches that I don't require you to buy that. I will cut those everyday arches out for you for your card kit. The only thing that you really do need to complete the card kit the way that I have done them is the stamp set and bundle and the inks and the blends. All right, that is my Create With Me Club for this month. If you haven't already done so, you might want to sign up for my newsletter at www.ddsstamps.com. That's where I send out all the information about events I've got coming up, classes I'm doing. Anyway, if you have any questions, never hesitate to contact me. I would love to help you out. Thank you and have a great day.